boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Dax is back. So we have been having Dax on this channel before with great songs, and this is one of them that we're gonna add to our portfolio, Place of Peace. All right, a great song from Dax. And yeah, we use a capo high up here on the 8th fret because we want the easiest melody ever, and that will be the scenario with capo on 8. So put that on there. And we don't have to go over any chords. This is just based upon this lick going on round and round through the entire song. So let's start right away. We have the first pattern that is based upon the A minor chord. So it goes like this. Okay, so that is open A together with first B. Then third B. Then open high E. And then I hammer on the third E, third high E. Once I play the open E, I hammer on to get the third E there. All right, that's the A minor part. All right, that's the first part. And then we have the F part, and it's just to land on 2 notes simultaneously. The first one is the first fret on E string in the bass. And you play that together with the second G like this. Okay. You have a short pause there, and then go into the G chord area. You're gonna play like this. So that will be 3rd fret on E string together with open B. Then 2nd G, open B, and 1st B. Okay, and we have 2 halves in this melody part here. So far we're gonna play like this always. All right, this part doesn't change. Now the ending will change, and the first ending now will be to play this based upon the A minor chord. That is the open A together with first B. And then you have this final part of this first half with the E ending. So it's gonna be open E string together with open G. So that is how the first half ends. Now the second half, like I mentioned, you're gonna play that in the same way when it comes to the first 3 chords, the A minor part, then F, and then the G. And then we have a different ending here in the second half. It will be based upon C and the GB chord. First C, you're gonna play 3rd fret on A string together with open high E, like this. And then you have the GB, where you play the 2nd fret on A string together with 3rd B. All right, so that is the ending of the second half, and that's how you're gonna play Place of Peace. It goes like this, round and round. So slowly, I'm gonna play a full round for you, and it goes like this. So that's how we play it slow, and if you speed up the sound with a standard tempo, it will be like this. Again. Alright guys, so yeah, good luck to handle this one from Dax, Place of Peace. Nice song and fits guitar very well. So yeah, give it a try. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tune.